Hello fellow Elementor users and welcome to episode 3 of this series. My name is Robert and in this Elementor Pro tutorial I will show you how to use these widgets: Facebook Comments, Facebook Embed, Facebook Page and Template. There is another tab below with Pro widgets called Site, and I will show you how to use these elements on any page you want. Without further ado, let's get started. So, this widget is for Facebook comments, which you can use to add social media interaction to any page or post. With Elementor Pro, you can create custom single posts and use this comment feature instead of the default comment section of WordPress, or both. But I will show you exactly how to create a custom blog post with Elementor in future videos of this series, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified when those videos are published. The thing with Facebook widgets is that you need to set your Facebook app ID in the integration settings of Elementor, which you can access by clicking this link. Once you are there, look for the Facebook SDK section and insert your app ID in this field. I think I will create a separate step-by-step tutorial to show you how to create a dedicated application and get the Facebook app ID. If such videos can help you guys, please leave a comment below and say yes. If not, say I already know how to do it. Let's go back to our Facebook widgets. These are really great features for social media integration with Elementor, and it can give you a boost of traffic from Facebook when people are using them. The Facebook Embed widget, for example, gives you the opportunity to embed 3 types of content from your Facebook page: post, a video, or comments. Right-click on the date when a Facebook post was published and click Copy Link Address. If you paste that link into the address bar of your browser, you can see that it is too long, so you can shrink it down like so, and then copy the link and paste it into this field. You can enable the full post view over here if you want that. For video content, you have even more options, like allow full screen, autoplay, and captions. The Facebook page widget will show people the page you are pasting in this field. As you can see, this is the Facebook page of Elementor. But if you change the name to Coding WP, that page will come up in the preview. Then you can select the layout and adjust some settings below to make it look as you want. If you have a custom section saved as template, a page, or a single post, or any other template in the library, drag over this widget and choose the one you need in this drop-down. The template widget is made to insert a custom global template into your page. Still, you can add them by clicking on Add Template and then go to the My Templates tab. On the dashboard, you can create and find your saved custom templates over here. While the free version of Elementor comes with just 2 template types, which are page and section, in Elementor Pro you can create a custom pop-up, header, footer, single and archive templates. I will show you how these features work in future videos, so stay tuned. Now we can go back to the Elementor page builder and see what we can do with the site widgets. Easy and intuitive. Let me show you how it works. If you exit to Dashboard and then go to the customizer of your theme, which could be Navy, our Elementor Ready WordPress theme and upload a logo in the logo and site identity component of the header builder, and then come back to the page edited with Elementor Pro, the site logo will display that image. Same thing with the following widgets. By dragging over the site title, you can display exactly what your site title is set on your dashboard, and you can add words before, after, and as a fallback. The page title will display the name of the page you paste in this field, and then you can add a custom navigation menu that can be selected in this drop-down. To create a new navigation menu, just go to the menu screen on your dashboard and create it. It's so easy, and you can learn how to do it in the recommended video above. Furthermore, you can add a search form to your page, which can be set as classic, minimal, or full screen, and then you can adjust some settings below. The last Pro widget of Elementor in this video is Sitemap, which could be useful in the footer of your page, where you can display pages, blog, categories, as well as other things like a language switcher if you are using TranslatePress, our recommended WordPress plugin for multilingual sites. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more WordPress related videos. See you in the next one, guys. I forgot to mention that in the coming video I will show you how to create a custom blog post with Elementor Pro and use these widgets to customize them even more.